Welcome to the Disney Reporter. I am your Disney reporter, Mr. Daps. Let's get right to this week's Disney and Geek headline. There's a new chairman for Disney Parks Experiences and Products, and that new chairman is Josh D'Amaro. You might recognize him as president of the Walt Disney World Resort most recently, and before that, president of Disneyland Resort. However, that is not the only leadership change for the Disney Parks Experiences and Products, because there's presidents that are new also for Disneyland and Walt Disney World, and some other changes as well. We've got all of those up on dapsmagic.com. Stop by, check it out, and let us know what you think about the new leadership for Disney across the board. Another change is the guy that was behind Disney Plus and all of Disney streaming services, Kevin Mayer, has left. He moved over to become the CEO of TikTok. In his place, Rebecca Campbell has taken over the role. She was formerly the president of Disneyland. We've got all the details up on that as well on dapsmagic.com. What do you think about this change, and what do you think it bodes for the future of Disney Plus and Disney's other streaming endeavors? Hopping on over to Florida, Disney Springs at Walt Disney World Resort has begun its phased reopening this week. With this, several establishments have been opened on Disney Springs, however, not all of them. In fact, all of the Disney stores and restaurants are not open yet and will be opening this coming week. We've got the details about what's opening and also what the protocols are to keep people safe while they're at Disney Springs. Stop by, check it out, and let us know what you think about the reopening of Disney Springs. Also, let us know what do you think is next. Just down the road from Walt Disney World Resort, Universal Orlando Resort is opening its gates to its theme parks on June 5th. This comes after it's already opened up the Universal CityWalk. We've got the details about the reopening and what the guidelines will be for guests who are visiting on that day. Make sure to check them out and let us know what you think about the reopening of Universal Orlando Resort. And finally, we hop over to Disney Plus, where Star Wars: The Clone Wars made some news this week when it officially was recognized as the most watched digital online show ever. This is more than The Mandalorian. This is more than Stranger Things. We've got the details about this story up on the website as well. What do you think about Star Wars: The Clone Wars being the most watched streamed original show ever? Let us know in the comments below. And those are the top Disney and geek headlines we have for you this week. We hope you're having an absolutely fantastic week, staying safe, staying healthy, all of those things. We hope you're having some fun finding Disney magic at home through different ways, whether it's videos, checking out some of the recipes we've posted on dapsmagic.com, or just watching videos on YouTube. All of them are good. Speaking of YouTube, make sure to subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of videos still in the queue to be uploaded, both current and past. Well, all of them are past, but relatively current. Also, make sure to subscribe to dapsmagic.com so you don't miss any of the daily Disney or geek headlines as they go live. This includes updates about reopening of theme parks, so you won't want to miss any of these as well. We hope that you're having an absolutely fantastic weekend, and we hope that sooner rather than later, we'll get to see you in the parks.